Welcome to another Mountain Sleds video. Today I'm going to be working on this 2012 Ski-Doo Freeride 800R E-Tec. I'm going to be installing the manual start. First thing I need to do is remove the right hand side panel. Now that I have the right hand side panel removed, I can remove the temperature sensor from the muffler. Then I can go ahead and remove the springs connecting the muffler to the tune pipe. Now that I have the temperature sensor removed, I can just place it in an area that's not going to get in the way. Have the springs removed from the tune pipe, and there was also a third spring down in the bottom. Now I can go ahead and remove the muffler. Now that I have the muffler removed, I can go ahead and remove the rewind cover that came with the snowmobile. Now that I have the recoil cover removed from the snowmobile, now this is the cover that came with the snowmobile, didn't have any of the guts to it, no pull cord or that. I can go ahead and get this 12-volt plug out of the way, so I can install the black handle guard that came with the kit. Now that I have the handle guard on, I can go ahead and put on my manual starter recoil system and run the rope up. With the manual rewind installed, I can go ahead and remove the knot that was keeping the rope out. I was just removing this knot at the end. Before you remove the knot, make sure you have your handle installed. So I'll go ahead and remove the knot and find out if this is going to pull over right. With the knot removed, the recoil pulled in the handle, sits nice and snug. Definitely have compression, so it's grabbing. So I'll go ahead, reinstall my muffler, find a new area for the 12-volt to go, and it'll be ready to go. With the muffler reinstalled, I'm able to start it up now. So it works really great. All I have left now is to go ahead and make sure that my 12-volt outlet is secure and replace the right hand side panel. I have the right hand panel reinstalled. Now I just have to close it. I have my 12-volt repositioned. Everything's in place. Starts up. So it's good to go. I hope that you found this video helpful. And as always, hit that like button or subscribe.